Nowadays, a lot of teens are starting to learn to build their own businesses. Since 2021, a lot of creators on the internet are starting to promote how to build businesses and how to actually earn that top earning job. So in such a saturated market, when so many people want to get into the same thing, it is important for you to actually stand out amongst all of them. For that, you require the best of the best education. And not just any education, you require skill-based education. Today, I'll be sharing 5 skills that any one of you can develop for free just off the internet and actually start earning millions and millions because you will stand out. Let's get going. Skill number 1 is coding. Coding is such an important skill when it comes to life on the internet. It is a superpower in this digital world. Learning to code doesn't just make you look tech savvy, it actually gives you a lot of opportunities in the upcoming world. Be it Python, be it AI. These upcoming fields become extremely important and you ought to capitalize on it, and for that you require a good background in coding. Open up any tutorial on YouTube and you will actually be able to get the knowledge you need to get going. Otherwise, there are so many other courses available on Udemy and Coursera that will actually help you kickstart your coding journey. Skill number 2 is digital marketing. In this age of social media, if you have to sell anything, you first have to sell yourself, and for that you require digital marketing. It is all about reaching the right audience and turning those clicks into leads and making it a gold mine. To learn how to create your brand, to learn how to actually reach out to a good audience, you have to learn digital marketing, and for that there are multiple courses. Say Google or HubSpot also offers so many digital marketing courses that you can learn for free, as well as build your skills of creators who talk a lot about digital marketing here on YouTube as well. Digital marketing is your go-to tool to actually bring your identity out in public. Along with digital marketing, another skill that becomes extremely important is content creation and copywriting. How do you market your activities? What is the selling point of your brand? You can actually work on it while you're building your content. Be it any platform, YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, X or Twitter, Threads, whatever. Creating engaging pieces of content is a skill that will actually help you all succeed, that will actually show you results, and it is extremely important. Like platforms like the YouTube Creator Academy can actually teach you how to build your platform and actually improve engagements and show results. Be it anything that you're passionate about, when you start making content, when you start putting out what you know, you will actually start seeing those passion points turning into paychecks. Now, this was me talking about a lot of services that you can offer. If you have certain products that you have, say you're building, say you're making some candles at home, say you're selling anything, be it journals, books, whatever, you ought to have a knowledge of e-commerce and how you can sell these products online. You can learn how to use e-commerce from services like Shopify. Also, the world of dropshipping still exists. I mean, you can sell anything and everything if you have the right market for it and in the right way if you can sell it. So e-commerce becomes an absolutely amazing tool for it. Last but not the least, another extremely upcoming and important skill becomes data analysis. With the actual amount of data that people have in their businesses, making good analysis of it and then forming decisions becomes an important task. That is why data analysis becomes an important aspect of running any business, and good data analysts are required for that. There are so many websites like Coursera that offer courses on data analysis. Combine this with coding and you will actually see a ton of success in your world of data analysis. Remember, data never lies, and those who can interpret it will actually end up seeing success. So there you have it. Whether you are into tech or marketing or content creation or data analysis, it is extremely important for you to learn these skills first, build up your profile, and then be able to secure whatever success you want in this world. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, follow my socials, and hit the notification bell so that you do not miss out on any other video that I send. So that's it for today. Thank you and happy learning.